If you need to reset your password on Progressive, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the official Progressive website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once you're on the login page, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your email address or username associated with your account. Fill in the required information accurately. Step 4. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Sysrok to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email, which will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Follow the instructions to set a strong, secure password and confirm it. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Progressive account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Progressive's customer support for further assistance.